Guys, so it's been a month since I have decided to be locked. So this is what it looks like, all the growth that I've gotten so far. Tomorrow I'm going to wash my hair and do my first retie, so I'll take you guys along with me for that experience. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I just finished washing my hair and I just put this microfiber towel on it. It's just separated into 6, and that's how I'm going to use these sections to tighten them up. So I'm going to start in the back. Now when I get closer to the front, I'll start back to videotape so that you guys can see. But I'm just going to be on my bed watching a movie. I'm not going to put a mirror or anything behind, because for me it's quite simple to just feel and make sure that I'm sticking within the perimeter of each lock. So I'll show you guys that after. Alright, see you.